Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll try to track file download for Google Analytics 4 by using of Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. You can see that I am already landing on my targeted page where I am create the 4 type of document: PDF, GIF, Excel and video. So today we're trying to track the download file from that. So first thing first, you have to confirm that in Google Analytics 4, you have to disable the find download options. So how can you do that? Go to admin and then go to data stream. Here you can see the setting option in the event. So click it and scroll it. Here you can see that find download option. So you have to disable the find download options, and then more concerned about your built-in variables click option are activated. So for that I am go to the variables option and configure the built-in variables and check out that your click built-in variables are activated. So I am just clicking all of built-in variables from here. So we are done. Now go to the main task. So for the find download tracking in the Google article providing the guidelines, so we are firstly check out that you have to see that the parameters will be the file extension, file name, link classes, link ID, link text, and also link URL. So now question is, what type of documents you have to track for Google Analytics 4? You can see the following list: document, text, presentation, compressed file, video, audio. This type of file you have to track easily by using of the Google Tag Manager. To now create the variables for file download event. So for that, go to Google Tag Manager and then go to user defined variable and click the new variable configurations. We are find out the auto event variable. Here you can see the auto event variable type will be the element URL and component type will be the file extension. Why we are creating this variable? Because this variable will automatically capture the file extension of the links people click. So giving the variable name, that is click URL file extension. Save it. We are creating the click URL file extension variable. Now again create another variable. So click the new variable configuration. Again click the auto event variable and click the element URL, and that will be the path. This will capture the page path people click where they download. So giving the variable name, that is click URL path. Save it. So we are creating the both variable. If we are go to the Google Analytics 4 article, you can see that here we have to find out the 6 parameter. We have to create the first one, file extension, and also create the file name. So what for the link classes, link ID, link text, link URL, that are also we are find out our built-in variable. So we do not need to create the variable. We just attached this variable in our file download event. So we are completed the variable sections. Now create the trigger. So clicking the trigger to create the trigger for our file download event, new trigger configuration, and click the just links. Now we have to adding the more conditions. So for that we click the sum link clicks, and here we have to adding our click URL file extension which we are created before, and that will be the matches, rejects, ignore case, and condition will be providing the Google Analytics 4 article. So we are just copy the conditions from here and back to Google Tag Manager and paste the condition finally. So we are done. Now giving the trigger name, that is event file download. Save it. So we are create the trigger. Now time to create the tag. So click it, new tag configuration, Google Analytics 4, and here we have to select the Google Analytics GA4 event. And where we find the measurement ID. So for that we are go to Google Analytics interface, and from here we have to go to the data stream and copy the measurement ID from it and back to Google Tag Manager. Here we have to paste the measurement ID. Event name will be the file download. You have to conscious about the event name. All letter will be the lowercase and you have to use the underscore instead of a space. So I am giving the event name, that is file download. Now time to adding our event parameter. So where we find the parameter, again we are go to Google Analytics 4 article, and here you can see the all parameter name. So from here you just one by one copy from that and paste into Google Tag Manager parameter section. So first one we have to copy the file extension back to Google Tag Manager, paste it, and second one we have to copy the file name, copy it. Third one, link classes. Fourth one is link ID, and fifth one is link text and also link URL. So first one we have to already created variable, that is click URL extension. So we are adding it. File name will be the click URL path. Third one we have to adding the click classes, that is the built-in variables. So GTM automatically create those variables in their interface. And link ID, so you're just adding the click ID, and then text, click text. Last one is click URL. So we are adding all of required variables in our file download event. So now finally we are adding the trigger. So we are already creating the trigger, that is event file download. So we are adding it. So we are all done. Now giving the tag name, that is GA4 file download. Save it. So now we are go to the PV options and check out that our event is showing in our Google Analytics interface with the all parameters. So go to preview. So we are clicking our PDF document, zip document, and back to tag assistant. Here we can see that our file download tag is fired, and you can see the all of parameter which we are adding with our event. So now go to our Google Analytics 4, go to the admin section, and then go to debug view. Here you can see that our file download event are showing in our Google Analytics 4 debug view. Clicking the file download event, here you can see that our all parameters are showing in the parameters section. File extension are PDF, file name you have to see that, link text, that is PDF document, link URL you have to also see that. So we are find out our all parameters, and in the right side you can see that as a event file download are showing here. After 24 hours you have to find out this event on the event sections, and also you have to customize your file download reporting. So finally we are successfully set up file download tracking for Google Analytics 4 with the help of Google Tag Manager. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.